guys, so it is the morning. I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Facial Scrub. First thing in the morning, which is really great. My skin is already wet. And I'm going to use this product really nice in the morning just to wake up my skin as well. And then I'm going to focus on these areas here where my pores are rather large. Okay. Just focus on exactly where I normally get my blackheads. And I go in for my forehead as well. Just circular motions. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, I'll put it over there. I like to do this for about, just over a minute. Just to get the ingredients to sit on my skin and to really work its magic. I like to focus also on my cheekbones. I get like breakouts on my cheekbones as well. I'm not sure why. So yeah, I like to focus on that. And then just circular motions like that. And that's literally it. So not more than like 2 minutes, because you don't want to obviously irritate your skin or be too harsh on your skin. And I'm gonna rinse it out. You also have the wet. Okay, cool. So I've washed that off. I'm going to keep my skin still damp and just wet, and I'm going to go in with my favorite Garnier Skincare Pure Active Daily Gel Wash for spots and for blackheads, which is great. So now that I've actually exfoliated my skin and I've opened my pores with a scrub, I like to go in with my face wash. I know people do it the other way around. I like to do my face wash after my scrub because now my pores are opened and this face wash can really work its magic. Remember to always get your face wash to be nice and foamy and activate those ingredients. And then you always want your soap to be foamy or else the ingredients are not really activated. So this is a great routine for your blackheads, guys. If you want to avoid getting blackheads, I recommend this sort of easy face wash routine with the Neutrogena and the Garnier Blackhead treatments. Also just for a minute, I'm just going to wash that on. My skin feels so fresh. I'm going to wash it off with some cold water just to keep my skin nice and tight and also to close my pores. And that's literally it. Yeah. Okay, cool guys, so I'm literally done this morning. My makeup routine is done, complete, I'm ready to go. So this is all after using that Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Facial Scrub. My skin feels so much smoother. My makeup also has applied a lot smoother on. I have less texture on my skin, which is fantastic for makeup. So you can definitely use this before like your whole makeup routine if you really want to get like a really nice smooth airbrushed finish as well. So that's like a really nice tip as well. I just feel fresh as well. My skin feels super fresh, super light, and like I said, like my makeup feels so smooth and it looks so much more airbrushed, you know. So definitely would recommend it. I swear by Neutrogena. First time I'm using this Blackhead Eliminating Facial Scrub. I knew it wouldn't let me down, but I'm super happy with the results. And I can't wait to see what happens like after a month on my skin. So yeah. Cool guys, I have to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cool. Mwah. Cool.